We probably challenged IntelliShift the most from an installation standpoint because we work early morning hours and late at night, and the installation team was willing to work with us. We had technicians sometimes who would come at 5 p.m. and stay till 10 p.m. or midnight, or we had install technicians that would come at 4 in the morning when trucks happened to be parked. That way, all of our equipment could be out servicing our customers and making money and available for all the response activities. And there was a lot of consideration from IntelliShift in that sense to keep us going, so we didn't just have to park our vehicles and assets and lose days and days of revenue during that process. They're meeting our needs by laying out a schedule for installation and meeting that, and making sure that we've met milestones during the implementation process. Life after IntelliShift looks great.